These are the goalies for Barcelona. And I can't see what I'm filming. So, that's Barcelona's academy. Our opponents for game 1. This one's got a back problem. So he's stretching his back with a trainer. We don't have a trainer. We have one goalie. They have 3. We can do this. Nobody seems to think we can. I don't know why, but I do. I do. Until the end of that whistle.